Good morning. Thanks for joining us this Thursday, the 14th of July. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, our local market ended yesterday's session higher, rising 0.2%, despite mining and energy stocks coming under pressure, off the back of subdued commodity and metal prices. Sectors-wise, the majority of the market posted gains, with the consumer discretionary, tech and communication services sectors advancing the most, while the energy sector declined 1.8%. As for the best and worst ASX 200 performers, Megaport MP1 was up the most, following a rebound in the tech sector, as well as a bullish broker note out of Goldman Sachs. The broker reiterated its buy rating with a $9 price target. MP1's last closing price was $6.60, so this implies about 36% share price growth in a year. Qantas's share price also took off yesterday, lifting 4.3%. This comes firstly as the airline announced it is removing vaccine mandates for international travellers commencing next week. And secondly, the drop in oil prices recently has potentially eased the pressure on jet fuel costs. Now on the flip side, a major oil producer, Woodside Energy, WDS, saw a drop in its share price off the back of the fall in oil prices. And other decliners yesterday included Viva Energy Group, VEA, and Alumina, AWC. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included Whitehaven Coal, WHC, Rio, and BHP. Moving to the US, stocks fell after US inflation came in hotter than expected. The consumer price index increased 9.1% from a year ago during the month of June. This was above the 8.8% expected, so this inflation reading could push the Federal Reserve into an even more aggressive position at its next meeting later this month. So as for the major benchmarks, the Dow shed 200 points, the S&P 500 fell 0.5%, and the Nasdaq was down 0.2%. Moving to our market today, the SPY futures are suggesting our market will open slightly lower, down 0.06%. Economic news-wise, the unemployment rate for June will be released today at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. It is estimated that 35,000 jobs were added to the local economy last month, which is potentially enough to see the unemployment rate ease to a low of 3.8%. Now, this depends, however, on the workforce participation rate, which is expected to drop to 66.5%. Moving to commodities, oil prices edged slightly higher after their recent sell-off. The gold price rebounded as the US dollar retreated, and the spot iron ore price trades 4% lower at US $107 a tonne. Watch Auckland International Airport today, AIA, and Netwealth Group, NWL, today. AIA will be giving an update on its monthly traffic, while NWL will be providing a June quarter update. Lastly, Viva Energy will be debuting on the ASX today. It's an Australian energy company focused on exploration and development opportunities for natural gas and renewables in Botswana, and it'll be trading under the ticker code BTE. Now let's end with some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter have maintained its hold rating on Bega Cheese, BGA, with a reduced price target from $4.20 to $3.80. The ongoing escalation of farm gate milk prices against the backdrop of a recent softening in global ingredient prices suggests further price increases will be required in the branded portfolio in FY23. Now, at its current share price of $3.55, this implies 7% share price growth in a year, which doesn't meet the 15% capital growth benchmark for Bell Potter to give BGA a buy rating. And Trading Central has a bearish signal on Origin Energy, ORG, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $5.45 to the range of $3.50 to $3.90 in the next 146 days, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Have a lovely day and happy trading.